So I'll tell you, I feel cinema is, you answered it yourself in a way that cinema gives us the opportunity to say things that I possibly cannot say in an interview.
Yeah.
Right? Or I can't maybe just go and start telling people. And when I read that story, I don't look at perception with a film.
Right.
Right? I feel if everybody started thinking about perception, then Shah Rukh Khan today would not be the biggest star coming from a TV show, Fauji.
Yeah.
Right? So sometimes you just have to go with your gut instinct. You like a story, you tell a story, and then you just leave it to the audiences to really see whether, they. And sometimes, like this story specifically was so, I liked it so much that I thought, even if 5 people get impacted by the thought of it, because I had very closely known a story personally where somebody really, I spoke about this, popped these pills, the night after pills, and damaged their system and had to be rushed into an emergency surgery. So I feel like if sometimes your film can be edutainment and not just entertainment, and it impacts 5-10 lives, what better than that?
Right.
I'm doing what I love doing in front of the camera, and if it can bring the change in some people's, and I got so many messages. Chhatriwali, it's been 2 years now.
Yeah.
I remember that time I got so many DMs on my Instagram, and there was this one specific one where this girl said, I've been trying to have this conversation with my husband for the longest time, and thank you so much, I showed it. Now we're women who have a voice.
Yeah.
But there are so many places in our country where women still don't have a voice, and they can't. Like Dr. G was another film where,
Yeah.
where it was a taboo subject, and we'd really done case studies of real case studies where everything that was shown in the film were real stories where men would, treat women like that, or they wouldn't know about the female reproductive health.
Yeah.
So for me, it was just like, okay, great, it's something experimental, and I'd love to do it. I'd love to take that chance.
Yeah.
Not every film is perception. You do some films for perception also, because only if you do those will people see these. I feel, you have to do the commercial. It's a balance.
Yeah.
But sometimes certain stories you just feel like I want to do it.
Let's go holidays. Travel beyond boundaries.